Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Uber app for the first time. This guide is designed to help beginners understand the process of using Uber from start to finish. First, you need to download and install the Uber app on your smartphone. The app is available for both iOS and Android devices and can be downloaded from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it and create an account by providing your name, email address, and phone number. You will also need to create a password for your account. Next, you need to add a payment method to your account. Uber accepts various payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and PayPal. To add a payment method, go to the payment section of the app and follow the prompts to enter your payment details. Now that your account is set up, you can start using Uber. To request a ride, open the app and set your pickup location by typing in the address or selecting it from the map. Then, choose the type of ride you want, such as UberX, Uberpool, or Uber Black. The app will show you the estimated fare and the estimated arrival time of the driver. Once you have requested a ride, the app will show you the driver's location and estimated arrival time. You can also see the driver's name, photo, and vehicle details. When the driver arrives, you will receive a notification and you can start your journey. During the ride, you can track the route and the estimated arrival time. You can also contact the driver through the app if you need to. When you reach your destination, the app will automatically charge the fare to your payment method. After the ride, you can rate your driver and provide feedback. This helps Uber to improve its service and ensures that drivers are held accountable for their performance. Some best practices to keep in mind when using Uber include always checking the driver's details before getting into the vehicle, following the app's instructions for pickup and drop-off, and being respectful to the driver. By following these steps and tips, you can have a safe and enjoyable experience with Uber.